Today we will be explaining why not every Etch-a-Sketch rotation is an isometry. So first we are going to start off with the definition of rotation, which is given a center point, a direction, clockwise or counterclockwise, and a percentage, you first draw a circle with center point that goes through the point to be rotated. Then you find the point on the circle that is the given percentage of the circumference from the original point in the specified direction. And this new point is the image. So first what we want to do on our coordinate plane is make a circle. And in Etch-a-Sketch geometry, as you can see here, I made my points, and I can show you that I connected them in order to make it a circle in Etch-a-Sketch geometry. What I did next was plot my points 0, 1, and 1, 0, knowing that this is a pretty small graph because we can tell that we are going up by 1 and over by 1. And next what I did was we can also know that this here is 1 and the distance over here is also 1. And this is the same distance away from each part, down 1 and over 1. So we can go ahead and do 1 plus 1 equaling to 2. So we now know that the distance from 0, 1 and 1, 0 is 2. And we got that by adding this here. So we now want to be able to rotate our 2 points here. So we're going to make a point here, and we are going to do one right here. Since we know that the original is 1 to 1, we now want to figure out the distance between this point and this point. So by doing this, we know that this is about halfway in between this whole circle. So we also know that half of 1 is 1/2. So this part here is going to be 1/2, and this part as well is going to be 1/2. Same thing over here. 1/2 and over 1/2. So now we know that this point here is 1/2 up, 1/2 over, 1/2 up, 1/2 over from our original point. So the new point here would be 1/2, 1/2, and then negative 1/2, 1/2. So in order to measure the distance from this point to this point and compare them to the 2 original points that we started with, we know that we have to move them 1/2 and 1/2. So we're going to go ahead and do 1/2 plus 1/2. So, and we got 1/2 plus 1/2 to equal 1 from this area here, from these points here, and over here we also have 1/2 plus 1/2 also equaling 1, and our original answer here was 2, and so now we have 1 and 2, and because 1 does not equal 2, that proves that every Etch-a-Sketch rotation is not always in isometry.